Hello, in this video I want to show you how to fix a problem when you have stable internet connection, but you cannot use any network related apps like Google Play Store or Google Chrome or any other browser in OPPO A77s. And let's start with Google Play Store. Here, if we try to install or download any game, it changes into the pending mode and never starts the actual download. We can cancel it for now and move on to our browser. So let's refresh a page and there's this error now. Here, to fix both of them, we'll need to go to our settings, enter additional settings at the bottom, select date and time and set time automatically. If you go back to your browser and try to enter this page, it should work fine. And the same is with Google Play Store, so we can install the game. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.